Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to redeem codes in Zo Samurai. Alright, let's begin. We will do through the Roblox game application. Here are the steps. Open the Roblox application and launch the Zo Samurai game. Complete the Zo Samurai game tutorial if presented with one. Walk to the lobby and then to the board named Codes. Next, click on the E option to open the keyboard. Enter the provided Zo Samurai code in the displayed data field. Lastly, click on the OK option to redeem the codes. You've now successfully redeemed these Zo Samurai codes. How long do the Zo Samurai codes last? These Samurai codes expire a few days after being offered. To be safe, redeem the codes as soon as possible after they've been provided. If the code isn't activated, check your spelling and re-enter the code. So there you have it. So that's basically how you can redeem codes in Zo Samurai. And that's it for this video. If you find helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.